I just came all the way up here and I realized somehow I hooked this coffee cup onto my belt. How did that happen? Welcome back to the house edition. After working so late last night, we've got a lot of debris and a lot of stuff that we just left. I mean, it was pitch black last night when we finished. I'll show a photo. I mean, it was dark. I took a photo of the roof after we got all the paper on. It was like 8 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and start this morning by getting rid of all this stuff and getting it all in my truck, taking it to the dump and throwing it away. So let's go ahead and get started. It's hard to see. It's so dark in this addition right now. I got to get all this shingle out. I've got this garbage can. I'm going to start tossing it in that. That's it. Now I just got to move this pile, but at least this pile doesn't involve a flight of stairs. Beautiful. I've got everything loaded up, so now I'm going to run to the dump and get rid of it, and then I'll come back and I want to look at the shingle because I'm not sure the exact color, so I want to take a piece just as a sample, just to match it up when I go to the store. So I just ran up to the dump and I got rid of all the debris, and now I'm going to get back to some things that I couldn't get done yesterday, which is getting that Tyvek up there. I need to nail that sheathing out to finish it out first, and then I'm going to put the Tyvek over it so that everything will be watertight. So now that I've got the sheathing dealt with, and it's all Tyvek'd, I'm going to go ahead and put on the rake pieces, which will be two 12-foot 2x6s. So I got some of this Gorilla tape, and I'm just going to do these seams here. Maybe I'm being a little paranoid, but I think it's just a safety precaution because it's going to get pretty windy tomorrow. Okay, so I got all the lines taped, and that tape holds pretty well. I think this is going to work out, and I don't think the wind will be any problem. So now that I have the 2x6 installed, I need to go back and put sheathing nails down the line on the roof sheathing. So at this point, I've got everything done and I'm ready to start shingling. The only thing left to do is to cut the rake line, but I just need a piece of 7/16 to put behind it, just to flush it out with the existing wall sheathing. So I'll probably wait until the day I get into the shingling. So I hope to see you in the next clip where we continue to make progress on the addition. I'll see you then.